Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and this morning we're going to visit the Shark Reef located at the Mandalay Bay Hotel in Vegas. A quick shot of Mandalay Beach. Mandalay Bay is supposed to have one of the best pool areas on the Strip. It includes a wave pool as well as a lazy river. Sometime in the future I'm going to do a best of Las Vegas Strip swimming pools, but you'll have to stay tuned for that one. But today's video is not about swimming pools for people, it's about swimming pools for little fishies and big fishies, so let's start heading over to the Shark Reef. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. There is the ticket area over there. And just to let you guys know, my ticket was comped, and I thank the Mandalay Bay for that. I am so excited! I hope they have turtles. You guys know how much I love turtles. So when you first walk in, it looks like a area full of ancient ruins, and there's a lot of natural light in here, but just to let you guys know, it's very comfortable. The AC must be cranking. Lots of little fishies, and my fist in the reflection. And here we have a Komodo Dragon, which is about 8 feet long and can run at 12 miles an hour, so that makes it a lot bigger and a lot faster than you. They are venomous and known to kill humans within hours of a bite. Let's move along, quickly. I was here during Halloween. Can you spot the feature that gives that away? Well, that was a little too easy. The Shark Reef has lots of interactive screens that show you where you are and what you're looking at. Looks like some polka-dotted stingrays. That's not their official name, that's just what I'm calling them. I really like the theming in this aquarium, the ruin theme. And if you check out my other aquarium videos, there's one in New York City, there's also one in New Orleans. Aquariums tend to be on the dark side. This one's very bright and airy. And here is the Shark Reefs walk-through tunnel. Again, when you check with my other aquarium videos, the first time you see one of these, it seems really unique, but it's pretty much in every aquarium. I would love one of these in my house. That would be quite the weekend project. Dun, 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 dun. This was pretty cool. It's a stingray petting pond. An aquarium dude was very informative.
Hey guys, if you guys are just joining us, this is the touch pool, so you guys can touch anything in here. Just make sure when you guys touch, you just use one finger. One finger only with the rest of your hand closed. When you guys touch them, just touch them gently along the back, avoiding their eyes and tails. That big girl right there, she's actually only 18 months old. Fully grown, she's about 7 feet. She's a shovel-nosed guitar fish. Biggest thing in here, and also the youngest. Everything else in here is fully grown and adults, except for her. She's body dwelling. She really likes attention as well, so we give her a lot of space.
A lot of these fish are pretty, but I just don't know their names. But I do know a lionfish when I see one. These guys are quite poisonous. Not deadly, but man, you don't want to get stung by one.
Yeah, they flip over probably 30 times a day. All the time. They just run up walls and things and just kind of flip over on their own. Hey guys,
This jellyfish display looks like the world's largest lava lamp. And here we have some cool stingrays.
Suctioning to the window.
We have one yellow ray, the one right behind that base there, big target. We also have a bunch of horseshoe crabs here. Those are the ones who walk around the shells. Those guys have 12 legs and 9 eyes. Some of those eyes are actually topical shells. You see the little slits on either side. Those ones are actually part of 5 eyes that they use to detect nothing but lunar cycles. That's like kind of their internal clock. Those are the eyes they use for swimming and things like that. After the 12 legs, the very front ones are for feeding. Their back ones are used to grab on one another. You see them train on another all the time. And the back ones are used for locomotion. We also have, believe it or not, 5 more.
So I've seen sharks in several tanks in this place, and I guess that's why they call it Shark Reef. I guess I spoke too soon when I mentioned how bright and airy this aquarium was. I had mentioned earlier about the other aquariums that I had visited on this channel. One is the New York Aquarium, which was in the Coney Island video, so check that out. And the other one was the Audubon Aquarium of the Americas in New Orleans, so check that one out as well. This is not the same tunnel we walked through before. This one is right before you exit the aquarium. I've always said some of my favorite gift shops are in aquariums and zoos. They always bring out the kid in me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.